Hey guys, Benji here, and welcome back to the Adventures in Daxland. Today, we have prepared for you a very important video. Lesson 1.
What is quadratic equation? A quadratic equation is an equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, and c represent real numbers and a is not equal to 0. In standard form, a must be a positive real number. The solutions to quadratic equation are called its roots.
First, copy the equation. Next, transpose the negative 4 to the other side. If a is negative, multiply the whole equation to negative 1. After that, if the equation is in standard form, identify the values of a, b, and c.
If you see a parenthesis, you should solve it first. 2x plus 1 times x minus 3. Then we will have 2x squared minus 6x plus x minus 3 equals x minus 8. Then transpose x minus 8 to the left side and we will have 2x squared minus 6x plus x minus 3 plus 8 equals 0. Combine like terms and we will have 2x squared minus 6x plus 5 equals 0. The value of a is 2, the value of b is negative 6, and the value of c is 5.
Hey guys, Benji here. So today, I'm giving you the example number 3 on turning quadratic equations into its standard form. You just need to follow the ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0 rule in order to transform them. So this is our third example, 2x squared equals to 9. In the solution, I'll make sure in the methods and the basics that you need to know in order to transform them. And for us, let's start. So the first part, you just need to transpose this specific value. So let's just write the given, which is 2x squared equals to 9. This 9 here needs to be moved to the other side of the equal sign. In mathematical explanation, it's called the process of transposing. And of course, we have to rewrite this equation again. When we transpose this value, it will turn into 2x squared minus 9 equals to 0. This is not yet the final answer for we to know the value of a, b, and c. Remember, you only need to take the coefficient of the equation, not the variable itself. So, in the value of a, we only gonna take the value of 2. I repeat, not the variable, the coefficient only. So a is equals to 2. And negative 9 here is not the value of b. So we will put here c is equals to negative 9. Oh my god, sorry, that is an ugly 9. C equals to negative 9. Much better. So the value here of the b doesn't have. So let's put it 0. So the value here is a is equals to 2, b equals to 0, and c equals to negative 9. That's all. Bye!
9y squared minus 1 equals 8y plus 16. First, we're going to transpose 8y plus 16. 9y squared minus 8y minus 1 minus 16 equals 0. Combine like terms. 9y squared minus 8y minus 17 equals 0. Now that it's in standard form, we can confirm that a equals 9, b equals negative 8, and c equals negative 17.
1.